Hello friends, I'm your friend Nishi and I'm here to share with you some easy tricks to learn these name reactions from the alcohol, phenol and ether. These two name reactions, Kolbes reaction and Reimer-Tiemann's reaction, are the commonly asked name reactions for our board exams. And these two reactions are very important too. So, here are some easy tricks to learn these reactions. This trick may sound really different and maybe stupid too, but still it is useful and I really find it a helpful way to learn this. So now let's start. Kolbes reaction and Reimer-Tiemann reactions are somewhat similar, as one gives product as salicylic acid and the other salicylaldehyde. Let's start with Kolbes reaction. Kolbes reaction is nothing but when phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide, we get sodium phenoxide. And this sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide at 400 Kelvin and a pressure of 4 to 7 atm. And now we get the product as sodium salicylate, which on acidification yields a product that is salicylic acid. Now friends, do you find it hard to learn like this? So this is the easy trick to learn it easily. So now I am going to tell you a story. The name of the story is Kolbes reaction and the main characters are oxygen, hydrogen, sodium. They are the main characters of our story. So now let's start. Once there were two friends, oxygen and hydrogen. So they were walking through a bridge. The bridge is nothing but our arrow mark. See this one. So, sodium, oxygen and hydrogen are walking in a bridge. But as soon as they go from the bridge, sodium and oxygen become best friends. But see, a poor hydrogen is left alone. So hydrogen is really very sad. And what he does? He goes at a speed of 400 km per hour. That's nothing but 400 K, that is 400 Kelvin. And a hydrogen moves towards the ATM. Working hours of this ATM is 4 to 7, that is 4 to 7 ATM. And now he meets Mr. CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Now our hero hydrogen tells everything to CO2. CO2 is really a helpful person, so he thinks of helping him. Now we have reached somewhat like here of this story. And now what happens? CO2 helps hydrogen by making oxygen unite with him. And now you might be wondering, where is our COO and Na? Well, they are nowhere but here. Look, they have joined too. Now the story is somewhat ending. Look, oxygen and hydrogen have united and COO and Na have also got united. But that's not the end of our story. Here comes the big twist, who is no one but H+, that is a policeman. H+ comes with the news that our Na is a big terrorist and he wanna arrest him. H+ arrests Na and now O and H are best friends forever. And what about COO? He is not alone, he is with H. This H is no one but a police officer. So here is our story, the end of our story. Now friends, if you are unable to understand the story, then I would recommend you to go on to the first and listen to the story again. It's nothing but a friendship story of O and H who gets united in the end, but with two other friends also, COOH. Just like that, our Reimer-Tiemann's reaction is also simple. Here I am not giving any descriptive stories, but you will find it really simple if you just learn like the previous one. Make some stories. The story may go on like O and H are best friends and they are moving on a bridge which is 340 km. Then in the bridge there are two gang of friends, NaOH a gang and CHCl3 another gang. CHCl3 is nothing but chloroform. And what happens? While going on the bridge, they get inside a den. And what happens there? O and A and CHCl2 are there. But a H is missing and one Cl is also missing. And when they get out from the den, NaOH is only there. The other grand CH Cl3 is not there. So then the story goes on like they enter their house and O and A become best friends just like the previous story, and CHO are friends, and H is missing, right? And then they go out from their house, and here is a big police squad, H3O plus. Just like the previous story, here also NA is a terrorist, so the police catches NA, and H is made a friend with O again. CHO remains there. He's doing nothing but still in that place. So that's how we get salicylate aldehyde. It's not necessary that you should follow the same story. You can make some differences also, like something which all you like. It's all about your wish. Chemistry is all our imagination. It's all what we create. Look, have you ever wondered that our Kolbes reaction had such a wonderful story? Yeah, I admit it's not so wonderful. Maybe you sound stupid too, but still, it's okay, right? So I hope it's helpful for you all. Thank you. All the very best for your exams.